Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. The Office of Utilities Regulation (OUR) has given more details on the new electricity rate class, which will start to affect consumers as early as this month. The time of use TOU rate class was approved in the latest JPS tariff application review. The Office of Utilities Regulation has approved a new electricity rate class which will affect residential and small commercial customers. Under this new rate class, customers will be charged at different rates depending on when they use electricity. It's called time of use. Deputy Director General at the OUR, Cedric Wilson, explained the mechanism behind the new rate class.
This orange line, it is what a typical load profile looks like. And what the load profile tells you is the demand of electricity at specific periods of time, points in time during a day. And what you'll notice is that the peak actually occurs somewhere between 6 o'clock and 10 o'clock.
Before now, all residential customers were being charged at a flat rate, a system which Mr. Wilson says was not fair since the cost to generate energy isn't constant throughout the day.
We use the most expensive generating plants to get you over that peak. You can start them up quickly and you can shut them down quickly. That is the gas turbine, and they're very, very expensive to run. Yeah. And during that period, the cost of generating electricity is much more. So that is why we refer to it as the peak period, because demand is in fact higher, and the cost of serving that demand is disproportionately higher than it would have been in other periods.
He's urging Jamaicans to take advantage of the cheaper rates where they can.
What it does, it gives people an opportunity to reassign their consumption to different periods. So you can actually move doing things that are expensive in terms of electricity cost to a low cost period. And in that way, if you are creative enough, you can save on your bill. You can reduce your bill.
JPS will have 6 months to roll out the two new rates. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $150.87. The Canadian is selling for $118. Canadian is selling for $118.06. The pound sterling sells for $204.88, while the euro is going for $181.41. Former Prime Minister Bruce Golding has been appointed chairman of First Rock Global Holdings Barbados, a member of the First Rock Group. Mr. Golding joins in a non-executive capacity of the Caribbean private equity firm, along with newly appointed managing director Chris Young. Now, Mr. Golding brings with him his expertise in business, economics, and public administration. To the stock market now, the JC index gained 1,182 points and the junior market index is up 11 points. Among the winners were Palace Amusement, Salada Foods, Lasco Manufacturing, Elite Diagnostic, C&WJ Cooperative Credit Union. On the losing side were Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Epley 8.75% preference shares, Fosrich, Consolidated Bakeries, and The Lab. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.